guys, I'm just gonna go at the front a little bit. Ooh, oh my god, that's so pretty. This is such a pretty one. You see that one, guys? Oh my god. Hello, good morning. How are you? Guys, this one is pretty. He has pink and I think blue and purple. So pretty. They look like they could be eaten, guys, right? Oh my god. The whole of them coming to me here. Look at that big one. Big yellow one. Gosh. And the big orange. Oh, goodness. Hi, fishy fishy. A whole school of them. Hi. Hi. Hi, fishy. Hi, fishy fishy. You're so pretty. I think they like me, guys. I think they like me here. Look at them. Hi. I think they do like me. They all here, guys. Look. They love me. Okay, fishy. I gotta go now. Bye. Alright, guys. Let me just go view the entrance. It's natural here, guys. Lots of nature. There's some over here too. Just a few. And this one. I'm just gonna show you the entrance. And that's where we at, guys, right there. Okay. Oh god, it's full. I don't know. Let me go show you the entrance. There's lots of guests here, so I'm just gonna pass by. So guys, they have a good entrance, big nice rose up there. Sorry. So guys, I want to show you the entrance. When you come in, what you see. So this is the entrance basically, and you can go there and you can go up top. All right, guys, maybe we're gonna go up top for lunch or for dinner, and the security is always there. And basically once you come in, you're gonna see the same sign right there. Hello, good morning, how are you? And then you have the Sandals Ochi resort security. Big up security all the time. Alright, and then when you come, this is just the entrance. Alright, guys, and that's what you see when you come in. Alright, and you have the gift shop and all the tourists in there. So guys, so I'm just gonna pause it. You take your shutter. You can take it for the airport, you can take it for up top or something like that. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna pause it. Alright, guys, I didn't want to video everybody, alright, because you know some people don't want to go on camera and then come cuss me out. So basically I'm going back. Alright, like some people don't want to go on your camera, so don't put them on it unless they give you permission. Don't put them on it. But guys, it's really quiet and peaceful, and those are rooms up there again. Alright, guys, that's where I'm coming from. Really pretty. I want to show you the pool. It's raining here, guys. You can't even show you much. I'll show you a little bit. Those are the workers, lifeguard people coming to work. This is just a small pool. There's a big one up top. Okay, guys, so, and that's some rooms up there. Oh, we got the nice one. This is where you can shower after. All right, pool closed for treatment. See, so you can't go in there, guys. It's closed for treatment, and you will sit right here. So basically I'm gonna just go around and show you. But if you want to go to the one on top, we can go up there. I'm gonna go up there as soon as the rain holds up, guys. Rooms again. But luckily we got the nice one, guys. We got the nice one. You have some gaming area over here, guys. You can play this one if you want. I don't know what is this one for. I think you can play it. I don't know how to play it. Alright. Oh, it's so beautiful, guys. I'm just showing you as much as possible of the view. I'm coming from around there, and you can sit over here if you want. And I just found this little waterfall, and you know I love water. Hello. A mosquito. One mosquito bite you, guys. Little bit of fountain there, guys. It's a baby. It's a big place over here, guys. Okay. And I think there's a tennis court up there. Okay. I can't done. Guys, you know me sip on tree breadfruit, you see? Hello. You see breadfruit on tree, guys? I tell you. Right. So this is the theater that they do. Like they perform and do all type of sitting there. So I'm gonna go see if I can. I'm gonna walk it out as much as possible. I can promise you. And if you want to play draft, here you go, guys. Move, right, move, left, move. Lots of more rooms. Here you go. If you want to play that, yeah. I take you down to the beach side. Beautiful entrance, and these lights, they go on at night. I think there's more room over there. I don't know what over here. Okay. All right, guys. You gotta just watch your step, guys, because it's kind of a little bit wet. So when you come, that's the theater. 6 feet apart. You sit. Oh, the restroom is right there. I think that's a restroom. I don't know what that one is, guys. I think it's a restroom. Theater. Look how pretty they perform. You can watch. Sometimes they have shows. All right, and I'm gonna go around and show you. I don't know. This is 6 minutes already, guys. Let me see how quick I can do it. It's a big place, guys. Super big. Okay, I'm just gonna go around in a little circle. Oh, nursing station, that one, guys. Nursing station. Yeah. Oh God, and there's more pool. Oh God, it looks like a hot tub one. It's like this is a hot tub, and I think the beach is over there. Oh, I want to see these. Hey, just got. Oh, there's a nice pool down here. I didn't see this one. It's kind of quiet though. So guys, this is a big pool down here. Okay, it's really pretty. But oh, all right. I never come down this side, guys. I never come down this side. And the beach over there, guys. You go down to the beach. It's wet now, rainy, so hopefully it will stop rain, and then I can take you down to the beach. I'm just showing you the full view. Big Sandals in Jamaica, really pretty, really pretty. Just have to watch. It's wet, so don't wear no slippers. We're gonna slide and break up you. Hello, morning. And they're just putting out the towels. Gotta put them in bags because they're wet. Hello, hello. It's nice over here. Let me see if I can show you a little bit more of the beach. Water rough, guys. You can't go in there right now. There. Oh yeah. See? I gotta take you out there, guys, on a different video, okay? If you want the life jacket, mosquito bite me up here now, guys. all of that. You hear that? Okay. I gotta go back now, guys. Woo, woo, woo. It's so pretty. I just came to see these statues. How big? They're so big. Alright. So that's one. Just you gotta make sure you watch your step every time. And there's a bar area close beside the pool, or basically almost just in front or behind the pool. And you can go up top. It's so pretty. It's big. I don't know if I can find my way back home. I didn't know they have a pool. Oh, and oh, this is another Bella Napoli, another grill. You have pizza and grill, jerk, whatever they have here, guys. Okay. Beautiful. So beautiful. And this is the other statue I want to show you. Hello, what's up? Alright. They look like they're angels or something. Watch your step. Alright, guys. Let's go. Let's go up back. There's some more rooms here, guys. Oh God, I never come on this side. There's so much rooms. Oh my God. Oh God. There's more rooms over there, I see. Oh God, these rooms are far. Oh God, I'm lucky we get the front room. Thank you, Lord. Because these rooms are really small. And this one is the some places are pretty. I don't know what. Let's see if I can find. Oh, the wedding location. When you plan wedding. More rooms. How much rooms? Yes, I want whole heap of hundreds. Another barbecue place. Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh, another dining place, guys. This one is the Reef Terrace. Oh God. Oh. And I like the greenery and scenery. Fire hose. Alright. Hello, how are you? Good morning. Chapel. If you want to get married. Hey. More rooms. Take a look out into the ocean. I'm gonna take you out there, guys, when it stops raining. See the guys, how a beach water down there. See the guys, sea water there. Guys, you can go on deck. It's kind of overcast, you know. Okay, I think we can go home now. More rooms. Those are the beachfront, or ocean view, what they call it. 13 minutes. Let me see if I can stop it at 14 minutes. Okay, guys. There's more rooms here. We're going more rooms. We're lucky we're at the front, guys. Lord, I'm so fancy. I glad I didn't come at the back because it's too far. Okay, guys, so basically you can take some pictures here, which I will do later. I'll come here and take some pictures. Hello, how are you? Okay. This is beautiful, guys. This is how beautiful it's looking. You can come and take pictures there. It just say love because it's a couples resort, so that's how you're gonna have it. All right, and it says love, and they're just taking pictures. All right, so I'll come later. Hello. Oh yeah, for sure. I am a picture gal.